Discipline is bridge between goals and accomplishment. We become what we repeatedly do. Therefore, excellence is not an act but a habit. Assalamu alaikum. This is day 4 of English speaking practice. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. And here we can practice English. Here almost 6-8 p.m. and before to record the video, I selected the topic to speak, that is importance of discipline. Actually, I am lacking discipline several years ago, or I am unable to maintain the discipline in my life. Therefore, I tolerated so many setbacks and difficulties. But now I realize that the importance of discipline. So whenever we look the successful people, they only have one common success principle, that is discipline. They set the rules in their life and they follow them strictly, that is discipline. So discipline is vital to life. Discipline refers to the set of the rules in our life, because discipline brings orderliness. So it we can ingrain discipline in every aspect of life. So people who want people without discipline, they want uh, do anything whatever they wish. So they may lead not to a healthy life, or they may indulge into the malfunctionings. So without discipline, the world would be chaotic. So I would say that discipline can be categorized into two categories. The first one here is internal discipline, and the second one here is external discipline. The internal discipline actually refers to the self control. Self control means to judge the difference between positive and negative. So this the self discipline builds you the habit of distinction between uh, positivity and the negativity. So with the help of internal discipline, we can induce the ability to take the right decision and separate positivity around the globe. Okay, so and the second type of the discipline here is the internal discipline, or external discipline. The second discipline is external discipline, that refers to external regulations, and it also refers to the norms and values accepted by the society. It helps you to socially fit, and it also enhances your status. So now I realized that the importance of discipline, because discipline reduces the procrastination and increases the productivity. And with the help of discipline, we have ample time to do the pending task. And it also helps or boost our confidence, because we take our responsibilities and do the thing whatever we want. It help us to manage the time effectively. So I learned the time management through the discipline, because with the help of discipline, we become regular, punctual, and resilient. So with the help of regularity, we do all our duties at time. Even we sleep at the right time. So then we have a specific time, or an ample time to to do all our tasks. So this is all about the discipline. So if this is helpful for you, you may uh, grab out some important point of the discipline, and if you found this useful, then please encourages me to speak about more topics like this.